The YSi-SP 3D high-speed solder paste inspection machine. The YSi-SP main features are the one-head solution, high accuracy and high-speed printing inspections, M2M solution, and an SPC function capable of statistic processing. First, let's look at the one-head solution. Yamaha also applies diverse functions into a single head, even on SPI. Diverse inspections can now be made on just one machine, such as accurate inspections by a unique measurement algorithm combining 2D and 3D, or switching resolutions by super resolution technology. Furthermore, you can add options that handle foreign matter and 3D bonding inspections. High accuracy and high-speed solder paste inspections. The YSi-SP also makes high-accuracy 3D inspections via a unique in-house 3-step algorithm. Focus adjustment. First of all, it follows the warp of PCB up to ±5 mm and automatically adjusts the camera focus for each visual field. Area measurement. Second, it measures the solder paste area by accurately extracting the solder contour via 2D ring lighting. Volume measurement. Then, the solder paste height is measured by a phase shift method to extract solder volume. Yamaha accurately reconstructs solder shape by combining this phase shift method along with 2D contour extraction. It boosts inspection accuracy to yet a higher level. Super high resolution technology gives the customer selectable resolution. In this way, just one unit can make high speed and high resolution inspections. The M2M solution. Linking with SPI and other machines in the production line means they can work together to contribute to high quality and high efficiency production. For instance, automatic setup can be sequentially performed from the upstream machines by linking a printer, SPI, mounter, and AOI. SPI to mounter. Bad mark information is fed forward from the SPI to the mounter, which improves productivity. SPI to printer. Solder positions, information, and cleaning commands are fed back to improve print quality. Dispenser to SPI. 3D bonding inspection data can be created from dispenser data with one click. The YSi-SP also has SPC function, which can perform various statistical processing of PCB data. This function stores all pad images and measurement data to make various types of analysis. One PC can connect to a maximum of 6 SPI units and output data in CSV format. By adding SPI to our lineup, we finally achieved actual line total management. The YSi-SP 3D high-speed solder paste inspection machine.